Alright, hey y'all, so I'm back with another video. This time I'm doing a get ready with me, but it's gonna be a glam edition. I'm going to a gala tonight and I have to get dolled up a little bit. So y'all are gonna see me transform. So while I do this video, I'm gonna be looking at y'all, but at the same time, I'm also gonna be watching YouTube because I kind of have to have something to help me kind of like go or help me, you know, get finished and get ready. So this is gonna be kind of like a dressed up edition. Last time I did a Sunday edition, this time is a dressed up edition. And so I'm about to get ready. Are y'all ready? Okay, let's go. So my friend literally just called me right when I was putting on my setting powder for under my eyes. So it got cut off, so y'all didn't get to see me put it on both eyes, but now it's baking. Okay, it's baking. So I'm about to finish the routine because I was about to start doing stuff and then I was like, oh, y'all not on the camera yet. So let me get back to doing that and we'll get started. Let go. watch me work. I know how to work wig, honey. My sister taught me well. So I'm gonna show y'all how I work this wig, but I shouldn't have took it off, but I really just don't know which wig to wear. I have no idea. Like, this wig, and it's a masquerade theme. So I kind of like this one too, because with this one it's really lightweight and I can do that. I really don't know what earrings I'm wearing with it. I was gonna wear my gold drop earrings with it. I have no idea. So this looks like my hair, which I kind of like because it's like really lightweight and I can do what I need for the edges. Like for my edges, I don't really have to do too much. This is like what it's gonna look like. Now I have to go get my shoes. I'm more than likely not gonna wear my heels while I'm driving, so I just decided on this. What I'm gonna do is spray some water or something on it to get it to lay down extra flat, and then put a headscarf on it. So y'all about to see me do that. Water. Don't try this at home, folks. But do try this at home if you are trying to, you know, flatten a wig or something. You have to make your wigs look real. I don't believe in wearing like fake looking wigs. Like, make your wigs look real, y'all. And I'm super late to this. I'm supposed to be there at a certain time, y'all. And I'm also supposed to pick up a friend, but the way my life is set up at this present moment, I'm not gonna be able to get her at the time I said I was. So I too am running late. So, but I'm gonna show y'all my outfit. Disregard my hair and the way that it's looking right now. Like I said, you have to lay your wig down, people. Move my stuff around. I'm gonna bring y'all to my room so I can show y'all my outfit. So let me turn the camera around. All right, y'all, so this is the outfit. It's a jumpsuit. I don't know if y'all can really see it that well, but this is what it looks like. I'm gonna bring y'all to the other camera. Y'all can kind of see it a little bit better. So yeah, this is my jumpsuit. It's really long. I'm gonna wear some heels, and then I should be pretty good after that. So I just have to find my heels. I'm either gonna wear these or these. I'm gonna just bring both and wear some sandals because Chantel is struggling right now. I am really struggling right now, so I am really struggling right now. So I don't have nothing together. When I get home, I'm gonna have to do like so much. But yeah, this is my get ready with me, y'all. I just wanted to bring y'all on and let y'all kind of see me get ready. So I will talk to y'all later.